Hello everyone, I'm showing you how to ride a motorcycle with gears. Very fast and very easy. Okay, the things we're going to use is the clutch, okay, obviously gas, front brake, rear brake and the gears. This motorbike is a small engine one, but the gears works as like every motorbike, every motorcycle, okay. The neutral position of the gearbox is imagine here, down is the first, then neutral, then second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. In this case 6 gears. So the only thing we have to take on our mind is that the neutral position of the gearbox is between the first gear and the second gear. The other ones are just above the second. Okay, with the motorcycle started up. Okay, the engine is started up. It's very easy, but you have to take on your mind these two things. The clutch, we can press it fastly, but when releasing, always smooth. Okay, especially when we are going to start. Okay, so clutch. First gear, if you heard it, clack. For starting, give me a second. For starting up the motorcycle, we need to just the gear level, getting it up a little bit, because if we get it up harder, we will do like neutral second, so just a little bit neutral, very smooth. Okay, we will you will notice it, because it is like click, just one click. If you press it harder, it will be like clack clack. Second gear, we start it up. Okay, clutch, first gear. The motorcycle is cold. This is why the motorcycle wants to stop. Okay, now if I release the clutch slowly, the bike will want to start. But if I just release the clutch slowly, the bike will stop, because the engine has not a lot of power. This bike, remember, is a small engine one, so we need to accelerate a little bit. Okay, accelerate a little bit before starting to release the clutch slowly. As you can see, I'm releasing it slowly, a little bit of gas, releasing it slowly, released. Now I can accelerate more or not accelerating. Okay, now with what we have to do now, we want to get the second gear on, because I want to go faster. Important, not accelerating when pressing the clutch. We accelerate to the revolutions we want to change the gear, then not gas, clutch, clack clack, releasing the clutch slowly. Important. If you not leave the clutch, leave the accelerate before pressing the clutch, when you press the clutch, Meanwhile, accelerating, the bike will do like that. I'm accelerating, clutch, okay, passing from first gear to second gear. As I said, it would be like clack clack, because neutral second. Okay, now we're about to pass to the third gear. The passing to the third gear in the gear lever will be like clack, just one clack for fourth, one clack for fifth. When dropping the gears, just one clack, until from second to first. Second to first, it will be like clack clack, because neutral first. Okay, we're about to put on the third gear. Accelerating. Okay, I want to change the gear. Not accelerating. Clutch. Third. Releasing the clutch slowly, and now I can accelerate. As I said, important, before pressing the clutch, not accelerating. Okay? And obviously not accelerating until we do not release the clutch completely. Okay? Now let's drop the gears for stopping the bike. Okay? As I say, not accelerating. Okay? Clutch, clack. Second, releasing the clutch slowly. Now I can accelerate if I want. Now we are about to we are in the second gear. We are about to go to the first. Okay, not accelerating. Clutch, clack clack, because neutral first, and we are stopped. I cannot release the clutch because we are in first gear. If I release the clutch in the first gear, the bike will want to go. Okay, so now just one click. Okay, I can release the clutch because we are in neutral. First neutral, just one click. If I do click click, it's second. No more than that. Be careful when the harder part is when releasing the clutch at the same time that you're accelerating. If you accelerate a lot and release the clutch faster than you need, the bike will do like the bike will want to go so fast, and maybe you scare a little bit. So always the clutch slowly, just the accelerating just as you need. Okay, the first time you're riding a motorcycle with gears, go slowly. Okay, always you can press the clutch faster, but when releasing slowly. Okay, more powerful bikes will be easier because you do not have to accelerate a lot, but be careful because the power of the engine can scare you. Okay, so be careful with the accelerating when accelerating. Guys, if you like the video, thumbs up down there, subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading videos riding my bike through Spain, and any kind of doubt you have, put me in the comments, please. I will talk to you. Okay, sorry for my English is a little bit weird, but thank you for watching, and I hope the video helped you. See you in the next one. Goodbye.